Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create this look. So I'm just going to get straight into it. So I'm going to start off by going in with my P. Louise base in the shade 0.5, and I'm just going to outline under my brow. And then once I'm happy with the shape under my brow, I'm going to go ahead and just spread this all over the eye to create a base for the shadows. And then once I've done that, I'm going to go in with a brush and just lightly dab that just to make sure it's all fully pressed into the lid. And I'm going to blend it out as best as I can out here and under my eye, just to make sure that there's no harsh lines when I come to do my foundation. Like that. So I'm just going to go off camera to do this eye, then I'll come back. So once I'm happy with my lids, I'm going to go in with my Morphe 39A Dare to Create palette, and I'm going to be using all these shades up in this corner for now. So I'm going to be going in with a brush like this, and just with the dark brown shades, I'm just going to start packing them on and building up colour in the crease. Let me just zoom you in. And for now I'm just packing it on, I'm not bothered about blending. I'm then going to be going in with the orange shade Sunkissed from the P. Louise palette, and I'm just going to again add that half on where the brown was and half on the lid to start smoking it out. And then from the same P. Louise palette, I'm going to go in with the same brush as well and use the brownie shade Latte in the exact same place. And then finally, with the Dare to Create palette, I'm going to go in with the lightest shade on the middle row and just blend all of that through up to my eyebrows. I'm then going to be going back in with my P. Louise base and a flat top brush like this, and I'm just going to start carving out the crease. And I'm only going to take it out to there. I'm going to kind of leave this bit blank because I'm going to be bringing it back in to make it smokier. So I'm just going to go off camera and cut the other crease. Once my creases are cut, I'm going to be going in with the NYX glitter glue. It's not focusing. And I'm just going to be going over where I've done the crease. But I'm going to keep the glitter glue away from this bottom bit just because I want to create like a liner effect. And then I'm going to go in with this rose gold Revolution glitter in the shade Grand Gesture on a little tiny brush like this, and I'm just going to be going in and packing that on. Making sure that I'm sticking to the line to keep the crease really cut. Let me just zoom you out. As you can see, I'm patting on rather than swiping as well, and that just makes sure that the glitter stays in place. So I'm just going to go do the other eye and then come back. Once the glitter's down, I'm going to be going back in with the first shade that we use, that dark brown from the Dare to Create palette, and I'm going to be packing it along where you'd normally put eyeliner. Just to really smoke that bit out. And I'm going to be packing it back into this corner bit as well. And then once I've done that, I'm going to be going back in with the shade Latte from the P. Louise palette. And just going over the edges, just again to blend all of that out. And then I'm going to be going in with a wet wipe and really sharp with my nail. I'm just going to be moving along there just to try create a sharp line. So that it's looking sharp. And then I'm just going to wipe my face to try and get the excess glitter that's dropped down off. So I'm now going to be going in with my mascara. for now I'm only doing the top lashes before putting lashes on. And then while I'm waiting for that mascara to set, I'm going to be going in with this brow pencil from MUA, and I'm just going to be filling in any little gaps that I've got in my brows. Making sure that I'm following the line that I've already set with the P. Louise base. And then once I've been in with that smaller pencil, I'm going to go in with a bit of a bigger one. Again, it's an MUA brow pencil. And it's just a bit thicker, and then I'm just going to lightly just go over everything. And this just really helps to fill in any gaps without it being too full on. And then I'm going to be going in with my Pears soap, and I'm just going to spray a bit of setting spray onto the soap, and then going in with a spoolie, I'm just going to rub it on the soap like this. And then I'm going to brush this through my brows to help them look laminated. And then I'm going to leave them to set and then wipe the top. So off camera I've done my brows and lashes, and I've just decided that I want to just deepen up this bit a tiny bit more, so I'm just going to go in with a black shade from the Dare to Create palette and just like the tiniest bit ever, and just dab it along there just to try and make it a bit more smoky. I'm not adding too much just because I don't want to affect what's already blended. And that's all I'm going to add, just that tiniest bit, just to make it more smoky, as you can see. So I'm going to go off camera and do the rest of my face makeup, and then I'll bring you back to do my under eye. The under eye footage has deleted, but as you can see I've just gone in with the same colours as before and blended them out under the eye. So guys, this is the finished look. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment, and again thank you for watching.